GravityWrite is an AI writing assistant that helps you craft compelling content. Whether you're writing blog posts, emails, or social media updates, GravityWrite can help you improve your writing and ensure your message is clear and engaging. Open GravityWrite from the link in the description. The free plan offers 1,000 words per month and allows you to log in on one device. Log in using your Google account, and you'll see various tools for different social media platforms and categories. Since we're focusing on YouTube, select the YouTube tool. You'll find features like timestamps, title generator, thumbnail idea generators, and more. For example, if you want to write a description, click on the Description and Tags tool. Paste your script, generated from ChatGPT for instance, into the text box and click the Create Content button. This AI tool will provide you with a full description, tags, and hashtags for your YouTube video. If you need to create a title, click on the Title and Thumbnails Ideas option. Enter your keyword, for example, Top 10 Richest Persons in the World, and click the Create Content button. The AI will generate several title and thumbnail ideas for you to choose from. That's how you can use GravityWrite to generate descriptions, titles, and hashtags for your YouTube content.